All right, you guys, tell me about Blakline. What does it mean to you? And is it just a motorcycle shop, or is it much more than that?
Blakline's a family. We build bikes to ride with everybody that we ride with. Share memories, the good ones, the bad ones, all the in-between, just like life. We're out here living it.
So you guys down to put down miles with your customer base?
Let's go.
Let's fucking go.
Let's go.
Hell yeah, man. Well, hey, thanks for putting on the ride out, man. You guys are fucking awesome. Appreciate you guys.
Thanks, dog. Decent.
We're at Blakline Speed Shop right now. We're just getting ready to take off on the ride out. Great turnout. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be fun. Good burgers, good drinks, good company. We'll see who else is gonna be up there and meet us up there. All right, guys, catch you on the road.
Now this is what motorcycle riding is all about. Putting down miles, carving canyons, and most importantly, having fun.
Jamie had a chance, well she really did. Instead she dropped out and had a couple of kids. Marcel lives at home cause he's got no job. Just plays guitars, wants a lot of pie. The chick committed suicide. Brandon O'Dina died. What the hell is going on? The crew is dream reality. Chasing throne, nothing's free. Longing for used to be. Still ain't hard to see. Fragile lives, shattered dreams.
All right, guys, we're just leaving the post right now. It was a fun time, man. This ride up here through the canyon is a blast. And it's not too far away, so it's just perfect for everybody that's got work in the morning. But thanks for joining us, man, and we'll see you on the next one. If you haven't, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. See ya.